Taruh dulu.
Videonya dilanjut, jangan lupa tekan like dan subscribe karena gratis. Oke?
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Oke, dan inilah setelah proses pemasangan kertas jadi seperti ini. Lumayan lah ya. Oke, setelah pemasangan kertas yang kita perlukan adalah yang pertama kita perlukan lem, dan yang kedua kita perlukan silikon. Ya, silikon ini sesuaikan dengan HP kalian yang nantinya kalian pasang ke layangan ini ya. Nanti silikon ini kita lem di sini seperti ini lah ya. Oke, langsung saja kita pemasangan silikonnya. Oke, kira-kira seperti ini lah ya. Seperti ini sudah kita lem. Usahakan lem sekencang mungkin ya. Kalau perlu kalian ikat biar nanti kalau layangan terbang di atas HP kalian nggak jatuh. Oke, setelah ini kencang lalu kita ya bro, sekarang kita proses penerbangan drone manual. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Anak siapa? Belum dari kita lagi. Ya oke bro, kali ini kita pindah tempat ya, karena tadi tempatnya kurang mantap. Ini yang di kebun itu nggak bagus untuk pertumbuhan ya bro. Sekarang kita coba terbangin di sini. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Taruh. Lalu. Dan inilah penampakan pemasangannya ya. Dan sekarang ya mantap.
Putus guys.
Aduh, payah rusak ya. Oke, sekarang kita coba terbangin ke pakai inilah ya. Mungkin ini layangannya terlalu kecil ini, jadi nggak bisa ngangkat HP. Atau mungkin anginnya yang terlalu kecil. Ya kita tidak tahu. Apakah anginnya? Apakah layangannya? Mari kita saksikan bersama-sama.
Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that.